And we're going right over there. Now, I don't hear the water flowing. I'm hoping it rains sufficient enough for that spillway to be flowing. If not, we're gonna work this bank. We might go somewhere else, but I don't know. Let's go check it out. And we've gotten, it's just enough to at least have a little bit of water flowing in here. So, oh, something came up trying to hit it. There we go. There we go. There we go. First one, guys. There we go, guys. Look at that. First one. I'm out here with Ryan Griffin. Let's go, guys. Let's let this baby go. First one of the day. Thank you for playing, sir. Let's go.